Good morning, welcome back to Granbury Kia. I'm Bob. I've got a really rare car for you. This is a 2017 Buick Cascada Convertible. I'm going to have some pictures at the end of the video for you, but it's in really nice shape and it drives really great. Got just around 88,000 miles on it. A very cool car. Come by, let me take you out on a test drive, and we hope to see you soon.
Happy, 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 happy. It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy.